Halwa, which originated in Middle East, came to India via Persia. It definitely is the go-to dessert to satiate one's sweet craving. Every region in India has its own way of making halwa. Hi guys, welcome to Vidya Cooking Diary. Today let's see how to make the super delicious jackfruit halwa. So without any delay, let's get started. To make this halwa, I'll be taking about 1.5 cups of de-seeded jackfruit, which I'll be adding to the mixie jar, and I'll be making a smooth paste of it without adding any water. Now I've taken about 2 teaspoons of corn flour, to which I'll be adding about half a cup of water, and I'll be mixing it really well, and let's keep it aside. Here I've taken a pan which I'm going to grease it with some ghee, so that later which can be used to making the halwa. I've taken a heavy bottom kadai, to which I've added around 3 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee melts, let's add the cashews and roast it until it changes its color. The cashews have started turning light brown, so it's the time to get it out of the flame. So let's remove it and keep it aside. Now in the same pan, let's go ahead and add the jackfruit puree which we had done and kept a while ago. Just make sure that the flame is at the lowest throughout from now. Let's give it a good mix for about 2 minutes so that any excess water in the puree disappears. So let's keep mixing it. Now let's add the corn flour mixture which we had done and set aside. Before adding, let's mix it once again and let's slowly add it, and let's give it a very good mix. This halwa is comparatively easier than the other halwas like banana halwa, as the chances of burning from the bottom is really less. However, let's keep mixing it always. Now I'll add about half a cup of sugar. Well, the sugar is very subjective in this recipe because it totally depends upon the sweetness of the jackfruit. My jackfruit was really sweet, that's why I have used only half cup of sugar. You can also use jaggery if in case you want to do so. Now in stages, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. In total, we need to cook this halwa for about 20 minutes in low flame. So for every 10 minutes, I've added a tablespoon of ghee and I've given it a good mix. Now let's add the cardamom powder and mix it really well. It's about 20 minutes already. And you can see that the halwa has thickened up. Now it's forming a ball, it's all coming together. So now is the time to add the cashews. Let's give it a good mix. And let's continue mixing this way for another 5 minutes. So in total, we need to mix it for 25 minutes. So it's all ready. Let's transfer it to the greased pan. Slowly let's transfer it. Don't be in a hurry. It's not going to burn or not going to become too hard or something. It's very easy to handle. Even the beginners or the people who are interested to learn how to make halwa can start with this halwa. So let's spread it evenly into the pan and let's keep it aside for about half an hour or until it cools down completely. So after half an hour, I'll be now cutting it into desired shape. Just cut it across like this or whichever shape you want it to be in. This recipe has yielded about 16 halwas. If you want to do more than this, you can increase the quantity accordingly. So the delicious jackfruit halwa is ready to be relished. If you like this video, do not forget to press the subscription button so that you'll be updated with all my recipes. Thank you for watching, guys.